Hi! Oh, it's been a while. I did some weights today. I wanted to show you guys that I have these 4 kg. No, sorry, it's 3 kg. I have these 3 kg dumbbells that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna share a link for you guys because a lot of you guys on Instagram keep asking me this, okay? So I did some weights today, about an hour ago. And then I got ready and stuff. I just did my makeup and stuff because I do have like a makeup class today, and I don't know why I already am in makeup, because obviously when I give makeup classes, I'm supposed to do makeup with my clients one-to-one and then do step-by-step process depending on their facial features and stuff. I don't know why I already got ready, okay? I was just feeling a little like I want some red lips and I just want to look a little cute. So now that I am looking a little cute, I want to now maybe go for groceries, because that's what I love to do, especially in COVID. I just think I loved and enjoyed grocery shopping so much. But I think, forget about grocery today, because I end up buying chocolates and eat stuff too much. So what we're gonna do instead, we are actually gonna go for a walk. And I do see the weather in front of me is not as bad today. I mean, of course it's cold. It's always cold in London, but there was a little bit of sun here and there. So obviously that always makes me very happy. So I'm gonna go for a walk, put on my waist trainer, and yeah, just walk basically in makeup. That's fine. I mean, I don't care, okay? So let me put my waist trainer on and I'll show you guys quickly how I do that also, because you guys obviously always ask me about that a lot also. So let me put on my waist trainer. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Okay, so here is the waist trainer. I've used this 1,000 times now, but do you see like the curve here? This is basically what waist training has actually done for me, you know, like really put me kind of back into an hourglass body shape. Obviously, I love that. I mean, who doesn't? So I'm just gonna put that on. By the way, I have just moved to a smaller size. I remember the last video I did, I showed you guys that I was using the size medium, if you remember. Now this is size small and I've already gone to the second hook. It's super tight, but you know what? It's so worth it. I'm gonna wear this for about 4 hours and I'm definitely gonna be doing like a 1-hour walk. I'm telling you guys, when you put a waist trainer on and you walk for 1 hour every day, you are going to see such a difference so fast. You guys are going to see such a difference in your body shape, really getting in tone so quickly. It's insane. Wait, what am I doing here? It's supposed to be second hook. There, yes. There it is. It holds in everything properly, like my stomach, obviously my back as well, and it really shapes your body perfectly. Now imagine you have this on every day and you walk every day. It's going to do another thing for you, which is obviously it improves your posture. Obviously you reduce fat, it makes your stomach quite flat, but another major thing that it does is that as you wear this every day, what you're going to see is that everything that you eat, for example, all the fats and stuff, they are going to be distributed in other parts of your body, like at the front and at the back, you understand what I'm saying, also towards the legs, and very less will be distributed to your back and the stomach area. So that is how you kind of get into an hourglass shape, because nothing will be stored in this area, basically, you know what I'm saying, because you are basically blocking any fats from kind of being stored in this area in the first place, if that makes any sense. Now let's go. Okay, so I'm about to make celery smoothie. I have been sharing that on Instagram and so many of you guys wanted to know how I make it. So I use about 2 sticks of celery. you know, a little bit of cucumber and also some berries. You guys have seen this in my previous video that I always freeze my berries, so here they are. We're gonna use some of these as well, and trust me, this is not gonna taste anything like celery at all. So if you don't like the taste of celery, adding some cucumber and a little berries in there, I mean, of course I'm gonna add a little more, but it does balance out the taste quite a lot. And I am big on berries because they're so antioxidant and stuff, you know, and super good for your skin and anti-aging purpose and all of that. This is what's gonna go into the mixer, as well as a little bit of water just to dilute it, because it's gonna come out thick otherwise, and I don't like that. So we're gonna add a little water, add this, and blend this. Everything's in there. Add some water. I also like to add some chia seeds sometimes. Let's just add them, but you don't have to do this. I just go a little extra with everything as usual. About 1 spoon, that's it. And it's ready. Do you see how thick that usually is? So you can add some more water if you like, but to be honest, I like to get this done with, so I'm not going to dilute this more, because then obviously I don't want to drink too much. This is quicker to finish, so it's perfect. And I also get the satisfaction that at least I've done something good for the day. So I'm gonna have an egg with this because I don't feel like eating anything else, and I usually always have an egg after my walk. And this, as I said, tastes like nothing at all. If you're somebody who doesn't like the taste of celery, trust me, have it like this and it would not taste of anything, and you'll be done with this quickly. Okay, so I'm back from the walk. I'm having my smoothie in like slow motion. I can't really finish it all at once. I'm waiting for the egg to cool down a little bit also. Basically, every time I come back from the walk, right, it's always Maghrib time. So I'll have to now, you know, do wuzu, get ready, get changed, and then quickly perform my namaz. And I never like to miss my Maghrib prayers, so I'm gonna go change and stuff and do some dupatta like a Sharif Bachchi and basically go and pray quickly. And then, yeah, I don't know if I'll be continuing this vlog after that or not, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm really trying to get to that point where I can like pray 5 times a day, but it's so hard. But at least whatever I can, I try not to miss those. After this, I also have like a makeup class, and oh, I don't know what I'm teaching her today, but I do know that I'm doing like a glitter smoky kind of makeup with her that I want to teach her step by step. And I've also, by the way, taught her already how to do her foundation and the contouring and the base depending on her facial features. I also showed her how to, you know, make her lips look quite plumpy with just simple few techniques without any lip filler or plumper. I have just prepared the table because I have a makeup class, so you can see I have this new oh, I love this palette so much. I think you have seen this in my previous videos. It is from Beauty Bay, very pigmented palette. I also have some glitters here from Immensis. We're gonna be doing like a halo effect smoky eye with some electric blue shimmery look, you know, but like a really nice smoked out eye. That's what I'm gonna do with my client today. And I have some brushes here, some eyeliner, and we're going to put some lashes on today. But yes, I'm ready for the class. I have like 10 minutes left, and here I have some nail kit. Basically, I'm going to be doing my acrylic nails later for Valentine's. So in the next video, you'll be able to see my Valentine nails, because I thought I should do acrylic for you guys at home and show you guys how I do that. And this is the monomer that you always need for, you know, the acrylic powder and stuff. So yeah, it's the acrylic liquid, I think that's what you call it, the monomer or something. But anyway, this is the nail kit. This is gonna come in use later at night when I'll be recording my Valentine nails. I have like a really super cute idea of how I want my nails to look like. So I'm going to be using the Essie red beautiful color with the Essie top coat. By the way, this top coat, I've used this one and it is the best top coat I've ever used. It has like this platinum finish, as it says, and it actually does what it says. It has amazing finish and it makes your nail polish last for like ages. I've had this nail polish on now for like about a week and it's still not as bad like it usually is without, let's say, a top coat. Ignore my nails, I bite sometimes. Anyway, I won't bite you though. I'm ready for the class, guys. See you guys after the class. I'm going to show you guys the end result after this. How beautiful are those glitters? Ooh. I think this is the color I'm going to be using. Love it. Wow. So guys, this is the look that I did with my client. I just finished the class. I thought I should just quickly show you. So we did like a smoky, very easy smoky technique. We just basically just used 2 eyeshadows and we created this effect, and it's a super easy smoky eye makeup look with a little bit of glitter. You can use any color glitter that you like, but I usually teach like little techniques, especially glues and stuff. So we've used glue on one side, and on one side I didn't use any glue. So I'm just teaching like little small techniques, and so that you can practice with me via video call and stuff, right? That's how we do them. They're all like 1-to-1 video calls. That's how I show you how to kind of like blend and do the glue techniques to do your eyebrows, the lip techniques to make them look plumpier and all of that. So we do that like together, 1-to-1. Okay, so if you want to book your classes with me, you actually can. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go now for dinner with my family. I'm really loving this look today. I really love how we did that, But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end this now. Bye.